Yes, question 1. It said, example, the angle of elevation of x from y is 30 degrees. If line xy is 40 meters, how high is x? So this is the interpretation here. Let me put the camera close so that we can see very well. Yeah, so this is my point y and this is my point x. They said the angle of elevation of x from y, that means we are coming from y and we are going to x. So that means from this particular place, from the normal level, you can call it the ground level. So from the ground level to this particular point is what is 30 degree. So that is why we have a 30 degree here, and they said the line xy is 40 meters. So from x to y, or from y to x, is what 40 meter long. So this is it. It is 40 meter long. We represent it like this. So they said, how high is x above the level of y? So how high is this particular thing? In some questions, they can bring it as the tower, the building, the tree, whatever. They can bring it out in different ways and different questions. So this is how high is this point x above the level of y, above this particular y level. So how high is from this place to this place? So we are asked to find the height of this particular thing. So we just represent this with any letter that we like. So from there, we have our hypotenuse, we don't have adjacent, and this is automatically our opposite side, because this is the angle they give to us. So this is the angle, this is the opposite side. So from there, we are looking for opposite and we have hypotenuse. So we are looking for opposite and we have hypotenuse. So we can automatically use so. No, we have so so this is so casual. So opposite over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse, then opposite over adjacent. So this is the so casual formula that we have. So the two ones that we need is opposite and we have our hypotenuse. So that is why we use sine here. So from there we have sine theta equals to this place, which is the opposite over hypotenuse. So we have p over xr. I use this as xr, sy. Then we have sine 30 is equals to p over 40. Then what is sine 30? Sine 30 is 0.5 equals p over 40, which is this place. This place is 40 meters. So from here we what? We cross multiply and have 0.5 times 40 is equals to p. So when you multiply 0.5 times 40, our final answer is 20 meters. So which means that the height of this point x from the ground level is 20 meters. So that is it. And in mathematics, I love to check. I always love to check my answers if I am correct. So from here now, if you want to check the answer, this is a right angle triangle. We already know that this is 90 degree, this is 30 degree, then this place is what? 60 degree, sum of angle in a triangle. So when we have that, you can just use this, find this with this, using the same I don't want this video to be too long. I will have shown you a lot of ways you can check. So you can use this one. When using this one, this becomes our opposite over this place. So in different ways, and you still get your answer. You still get the same answer. Even if you don't have 30 here and you want to get what will be the angle for this place, forget that this is a triangle. We don't want to use that. Okay, sum of angle in a triangle is 180. If you don't want to use that, just use another, from this SOHCAHTOA, we have 60 here, we have 90 here. Use anyone. Use anyone. You're going to get your 30 back here. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next video. I am Sammy Tai. I love mathematics.